Hello everyone. I just wanted to show you a little project that I've been working on. This is a teleporter room using the command block that was recently put into the game. Now the way this works is you come in here to the teleporter room and you flip one of these levers for your destination. I just have 2 teleporter rooms so far. I'm going to add more later, and this can be expanded out of course. But just the 2 now. So I'm going to teleport myself to the main base, make sure that only one of these torches is on, it's very important, and then step into the teleporter pad, and there we are. This is now the main base. And then I can flip my destination here back to the fortress, which is where I was before. Step in, and there we are. Back in the fortress. Now the way this works is the command block is done through redstone. Now to get the command block you have to be the op on the server and use the give command. So we say give your player name, 137 is the ID of the command block, and there it shows up in my inventory. Now we set that down, and we right-click on it, and we get these console commands. Now if we do this right here, it won't work. You have to be an op player in creative mode. So we have to set ourselves to creative mode, which you can do as an operator. So game mode, creative, your player name, and there you are. And then we can do the say command. And there we are. And then when we turn this on, if you look in the bottom left where the chat is, you can flip this and annoy everybody very quickly. So, we'll go back into survival mode. And if I can learn how to type. Are. I'll go back and I'll show you the inner workings of all this. Now I know this could kind of be considered cheating, so I made some self-imposed rules. Every teleporter room has to... each of these teleporter locations can only go to another teleporter room. Also there's going to be an Eye of Ender here. I did give myself the frame blocks since those are kind of hard to get in the natural game. But I did create the Eye of Ender legitimately, and there should also be glowstone above this. That's just my rules. Do whatever you want. And then of course doing all the work that goes on behind the scenes. Now I put in the one for the one that's blank behind here, so ignore this first one. It's really this second one is the one that's activated. So the way this works is we run the redstone vertically, and so when that torch is off, that one's on, that's on, that one's off, and then that powers this block, which then powers these repeaters. And that goes into these blocks, which have the torches behind them that you see on the outside. Now those, when those are on or off, will power this block, and so because this one is on, this torch will be off, right? It's an inverter. Now as long as this block is powered, this torch will not be powered. When this one is powered, it will then power this command block, and as we can see, we have the teleporter command to the nearest player and going to this location, which is my main base on this server. So this is when this is on and this is on, that will be off, and when either one of them is on, it will still be off. But when both of them go off, that torch will go on and activate the command. So this is a line that goes back to the teleporter pad. So you activate it with the lever there. That's one of them that goes off. Then you step on this, and that's inverted from the input. It goes in here, and that goes off, and then that goes on, and the command block is activated. And that's how it works. So nothing too complicated there. So an upgrade could be to make these into switches, so that you press it, all these torches get reset, and then just the one goes on. That'd be quite a bit more advanced redstone. I started trying it that way. It gets rather complicated pretty quickly, so I just kind of did it this way. It works, but do make sure that only one of these is on, because then it'll activate 2 teleport commands at the same time, and I have no idea what it's going to do then. But you can find out. So that's the short of it. Have fun.